Hello, everyone. I wish you a happy new day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'll show you make an antenna, handmade at home. Let's watch this video. It'll be very helpful. I'll show you step by step, so that you can follow it. Watch until the end of the video, and tell me what you think about this idea. Please share the video if you find it helpful. Take it one step at a time. Don't miss a step. I'll guide you slowly. Which country are you watching the video from? Leave me a comment. I often share tips on the channel, secrets that can help you save money, and very useful in everyday life. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you can click the sign up button. It's great to see your help. I really want to connect with you all over the world, so that we can share our knowledge, tricks in life, to help us. After connecting the wires into the key, let's get some insulating tape to wrap it up. This is a plastic water pipe. Put the key in the cut line on that plastic pipe. Continue to use electrical adhesive tape to fix. Now let's make a connector to connect to the television. This part is also very familiar for our channel. Use tape to wrap it up. The other end is to connect with. Antenna head. Now, let's prepare a piece of wood. And use an extra roll of double-sided adhesive tape. Let's paste in. Let's start the experiment. This is my TV. Before you plug in the antenna, it has no signal. Let's connect this antenna to the television. Try to find new channels. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, press like and share this trick with everyone. I wish you success.